What is the definition of FIFA?
Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. In this episode, we'll be exploring the definition of FIFA. So, let's get started.
What does FIFA stand for?
FIFA stands for the Fédération Internationale de Football Association. It is an international governing body for the sport of football, commonly known as soccer in some countries. FIFA was founded in 1904 and is responsible for organizing and overseeing various international competitions, including the FIFA World Cup.
What is the role of FIFA?
The role of FIFA is multifaceted. It serves as the supreme authority in football worldwide, with the mission to develop and promote the sport. Some of the key responsibilities of FIFA include organizing international competitions. FIFA organizes prestigious tournaments such as the FIFA World Cup, FIFA Confederations Cup, and FIFA Club World Cup, among others. These tournaments bring together teams from different nations to compete on a global stage. Setting rules and regulations. FIFA establishes and enforces the rules and regulations governing the game of football. This includes matters related to gameplay, fair play, disciplinary actions, and technical standards. Promoting football development. FIFA aims to promote the growth and development of football around the world. This involves providing support to member associations, offering education and training programs, and investing in infrastructure and grassroots initiatives. Safeguarding the integrity of the game. FIFA places a strong emphasis on preserving the integrity of football. It tackles issues such as match fixing, doping, and corruption, working closely with law enforcement agencies and implementing robust governance and compliance measures.
How does FIFA operate?
FIFA operates through a hierarchical structure that consists of various components. The key elements of FIFA's operational structure include FIFA Congress. The FIFA Congress is the highest decision-making body and is composed of representatives from member associations. It meets annually to discuss and vote on important matters, including electing the FIFA president and approving changes to regulations. FIFA Council. The FIFA Council is responsible for strategic decision-making and policy formulation. It consists of representatives from different confederations and is headed by the FIFA President. General Secretariat. The General Secretariat is the administrative arm of FIFA, responsible for day-to-day operations. It manages various departments, including legal affairs, competitions, communications, finance, and more. Member associations. FIFA comprises 211 member associations, each representing a national football federation. These associations are responsible for overseeing football activities within their respective countries and implementing FIFA's regulations. And there you have it, the definition of FIFA. As the Fédération Internationale de Football Association, FIFA plays a pivotal role in governing and developing the beautiful game of football worldwide. It sets the rules, organizes international competitions, and works to ensure the integrity and growth of the sport. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video informative. See you next time.